After working 38 years, he checked his retirement numbers and realized he could not afford to stop. Not because he failed, but because nobody ever told him the truth. That man is Marcus's dad, and what happened to him is happening to millions of Americans right now, silently. 57% of Americans have less than $1,000 saved for retirement. Not $1,000 a month, $1,000 total. The average American retires with only $87,000 saved, and Social Security pays the average retiree just $1,700 a month. In America, in 2025, where rent alone costs more than that in most cities. Here is what I want to ask you right now. Do you know your retirement number? The actual amount you will need to never run out of money? Most people do not. And that gap between what they think they need and what they actually need is where retirement dreams go to die. This video is going to show you exactly what happened to Robert, exactly why the system failed him, and exactly what you can do today so his story never becomes yours. Stay with me, because this one is going to change how you see everything. Marcus had just paid off his credit card debt. For the first time in years, he felt free. Then his dad called. "Just come over this weekend, son. I need to show you something." Marcus drove over Saturday morning. His dad, Robert, answered the door, and something was wrong. Not sick wrong, defeated wrong. Marcus walked into the kitchen and stopped. The table was covered in papers, statements, a calculator, a notepad full of numbers crossed out and rewritten over and over again. 38 years of work spread across that kitchen table. Robert sat down and looked at his son. "I don't think I can afford to retire." Marcus didn't know what to say. This was the man who fixed everything. Every broken thing in their house, every problem Marcus ever brought home. His dad always had an answer. But not today. And what Marcus saw next made everything worse. Robert had done everything they told him to do. Go to school, get a job, work hard, save a little. 38 years, never missed a day of work, never missed a single bill, and it was still not enough. Has someone in your life ever worked that hard and still ended up feeling behind? Because Robert is not alone, not even close. Marcus sat down across from his dad, and they started going through the numbers together. Robert needed about $4,000 a month to live. Rent, utilities, food, car, insurance, basic American life. $4,000 a month, $48,000 a year. Then Marcus asked the question that changed everything. "Pop, how long do you think retirement actually lasts?" Robert shrugged. "Maybe 15 years? Marcus pulled out his phone. The average American man today lives to 78. Robert was 61. That is not 15 years. That is 17 to 20 years of retirement, maybe more. So here is the math. $48,000 a year times 20 years. That is $960,000, almost $1 million just to cover basic expenses." Robert stared at the table. And here's the part that nobody talks about. Robert had $90,000 saved. $90,000 against a need of nearly $1 million. Not even 10% of the way there, after 38 years of work. Now I want you to stop right here and do this math. Take your monthly expenses, multiply by 12, now multiply by 25. That is your retirement number. Write it down, because you cannot hit a target you have never seen. Marcus looked at his dad. "Pop, what about Social Security?" "That's what I was counting on, son." And Marcus felt his stomach drop, because here's the truth about Social Security that most Americans never hear. The average Social Security check right now is $1,700 a month, in a country where average rent is over $1,500 a month. That leaves $200 for food, gas, medicine, utilities, everything else. Could you live on $200 a month after rent? Most Americans cannot. And yet millions of people are retiring right now, counting on Social Security as their main income, because nobody told them the truth. Here's the truth. Social Security was never designed to be your only income. It was designed to be a supplement, a piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. But the system never made that clear. And people like Robert spent their entire lives paying into Social Security every single paycheck, trusting it would catch them. It will not alone, not even close. And here's something even scarier. The Social Security Trust Fund is projected to face serious funding shortfalls within the next 10 to 15 years. That does not mean it disappears, but benefits could be reduced for people who spent their whole lives paying into it. Robert had never heard any of this. 38 years of trusting the system, and the system had never once told him the truth. Marcus pulled out his phone. "Dad, let me show you something." He opened a compound interest calculator and typed in the numbers. If Robert had invested just $100 a month, starting at age 22, at an average 7% annual return, he would have had over $260,000 by 62, not because he was rich, not because he had a special account, just because he started early and let time do the work. But here is where it gets really painful. $200 a month instead, just $200, the price of 2 dinners out. Starting at 22, over $500,000 by 62. Robert stared at the screen. I never knew that. I never knew that. That sentence right there is the most expensive sentence in America. Because here is what nobody teaches you about compound interest. Time is more powerful than money. Not income, not intelligence, not luck. Time. Let me show you the difference side by side. Person A starts at 25, $200 a month, 7% return. By 65, over $500,000. Person B waits until 35, same $200 a month, same 7% return. By 65, $240,000. Same monthly investment, 10-year head start, more than double the result. And this is the part nobody talks about. It's not about how much you invest, it's about when you start. So let me ask you directly, how old are you right now? Because whether you were 22 or 52, the best day to start was yesterday. The second best day is today.
The kitchen was quiet. Robert picked up his coffee, put it back down without drinking. Marcus watched his dad stare at the table. And then Robert said the thing Marcus will never forget. I worked my whole life doing exactly what they told me to do. Go to school, get a job, work hard, save a little. I did all of it, every single thing. He paused. Nobody told me it was not going to be enough. Nobody told me it was not going to be enough. Marcus felt something shift inside him, because it was not just his dad's story. It was the story of an entire generation. People who played by the rules, showed up every day, trusted the system, and the system let them believe everything would be fine. For decades. Has someone ever told you they did everything right and it still was not enough? Because that feeling has a name. It is called the retirement trap. And it was not built by accident. It was built by a system that needed you to keep working, keep spending, keep paying, and never stop long enough to do the math. Marcus reached across the table. Pop, it is not too late. His dad looked up. You are 61. Not 81. You still have time. Not as much as you would have had at 22, but enough if you know what to do. And that is exactly what Marcus showed him next. Here is the truth the system never told Robert. It is never too early, and it is never too late. Here is exactly what Marcus showed his dad that afternoon.
and exactly what you can start doing tonight. Step 1. Know your number. Monthly expenses times 12 times 25. That is your retirement target. This is called the 25 times rule. If you have 25 times your annual expenses saved and withdraw 4% per year, your money lasts 30 years or more. Most people have never calculated this. Do it tonight. Write it down. Put it somewhere you can see it every single day. Because a goal you can see is a goal you can chase. Step 2. Start investing today. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. That match is free money. If you are not taking it, you're leaving part of your paycheck on the table every single month. If you do not have a 401k, open a Roth IRA today. 15 minutes online, that's all it takes. Your money grows completely tax-free. Every dollar of growth, every dollar you withdraw in retirement, tax-free. That is one of the most powerful tools available to ordinary Americans, and most people have never used it. Step 3. Invest in index funds. Not individual stocks, not crypto, not tips from coworkers. Simple, broad market index funds. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% per year over the last 50 years. Through recessions, crashes, pandemics, 10% average. You do not need to be a genius. You do not need to watch the market every day. Just invest consistently. Let time do the rest. Step 4. If you are starting late, use catch-up contributions. If you are 50 or older, the IRS lets you put extra money into your 401k every year above the normal limit. Use every dollar of it. 10 years of aggressive saving and investing can change your entire retirement picture. Robert left that afternoon with a plan. Not a perfect plan, but a real one, with real steps and a real number to chase. Marcus walked him to his car. His dad stopped at the door, turned around. Why did nobody ever teach us this? Marcus thought for a second. Because they needed us not to know. Robert nodded slowly, got in his car, and drove home with a plan. For the first time in 38 years. With an actual plan. Here is what I want you to take from Robert's story. You are not behind because you are lazy. You are not behind because you are irresponsible. You are behind because nobody taught you this. And that changes today. Right now, I want you to do 3 things. 1. Calculate your retirement number tonight. Monthly expenses times 12 times 25. Write it down. 2. Open a 401k or Roth IRA if you have not already. Start with whatever you can, even $20 a month. Just start. 3. Share this video with someone you love, a parent, a sibling, a friend. Because the best thing you can do is make sure the people you care about never have to sit at a kitchen table surrounded by 38 years of work, wondering if it was enough. Drop your age in the comments right now. Are you already investing for retirement, or are you just getting started? Either way, I want to hear from you. Subscribe to Better Path HQ. Every single week, we pull back the curtain on the systems that were never designed for you to win and show you exactly how to beat them. Robert is not done, and neither are you. We will see you next week with something you are definitely not going to want to miss.